Then, once in the van, you have your control panel above the door where you press your power on, internal lights, and awning light, and then voltage of the battery. Then also you have your water pump here, but that drain off valve needs facing down in the horizontal position. Then once press that, and open your taps, once all the air is drained out of the system, your pump will kick in, like so, and obviously cut out when finished using the tap. But you'll have to drain the air out of the kitchen and the bathroom and the shower. Also, down here, you have your main RCD, which is there. 3 MCBs, 12 volt fuse is what they're for. Master shutdown button, 12 volt shutdown button, which turns off all 12 volt into the van. And obviously, then once in the van, press it back on to turn it back on again. Heating, that has to be on for it to work on electric. And once pushed in that in, they'll go solid, that one will go LED orange, and that will go LED green, so it's on. That one does the charge the battery, and that one needs to be on when using on electric. Then here, to turn this on, you just press the power button like so. Internal temperature, water, then your appliance, you've got gas mix 1 and 2, electric 1 and 2. Then you've got the fan, you can have it on vent, eco or boost. Then to turn off, just hold the power button like so, just for a few seconds, and you need to wait for this off to disappear before you turn off the van, because it can cause an issue to the boiler. Then we have your domestic fridge. So to turn on, you have 3 settings. You have gas, mains and 12 volt. 12 volt will only work when connected to the car and only maintains temperature already in the fridge. Gas, as you heard, it would tick, then when it's lit everything will stay solid blue, and then when on mains, once you've got 240 plugged into the van, it will connect onto mains. And to turn off, just hold the power button like so. Aspire 2 cooker, you've got electric hob here. Once that's turned on, that LED will go red, and you've got your 3 gas hobs on top, so there, and there. Then you've got your grill and your oven, and then to ignite you just push that knob in while pressing the igniter button. Then at the back of the van in your bathroom, you've got your toilet flush, where you hold that in like so, flushes the chemical into the toilet bowl. Then you've got it here, opens up the trap door and empties it into the toilet cassette when finished. Also on the van, you have an alarm fitted. So to activate, once to arm, 2 to disarm. Obviously then you have your PIR down there, which then when activated, detects any movement, will sound the alarm. Then you have your winterization sheet. It shows you how to correctly winterize your caravan ready for the winter period, to stop any frost damage, because frost damage isn't covered by a warranty. As it states there, our warranty list, what we do cover and what we don't, and explains that it's a back to base warranty and the van has to come back here for any warranty repair. On this van you have a Power Touch Evolution Auto Engage, so you want to turn that red switch on in the battery locker, then hold these 2 here, and you're going to hold that and that one there and the 2 arrows, and that will start to engage the motors onto the wheel. Obviously you have to let it finish its cycle, but obviously it will engage the other side as well. So, and obviously when this light goes solid green, it means that it's moved, it's finished its cycle, it's ready to move. Then take the handbrake off. Then where you want the motor to go, forward, backwards, front to me, front the opposite away from me, and then same on the back. And once finished, apply the handbrake, turn the isolation key off of the battery locker, then press the centre button, keep the switch on until you've disconnected the rollers from the van, and then you want to wait for it to finish its cycle, and then you can turn off the isolation key.